The Swinger 2 is used to quickly and accurately process metal, wood, and fiberglass doors for custom lights, including prepping for the lock by boring the face, latch, and mortising the rectangle faceplate. This Swinger 2 also has the optional oscillating bit assembly to extend bit life when cutting steel doors. The Swinger door light router can machine up to an 8-foot by 4-foot door without having to reposition the material.